So hey my friends and my seniors, welcome guys in my channel. I am Prativ Barman talking with you, and this video is a very beautiful video guys, because you can see the background and the environment of this place is also very beautiful. So today in this video I am going to talk about a very powerful weapon. Now what is this weapon? It is your question, right? So the answer is very simple. Questioning. Yes, questions is a very powerful weapon. So guys, understand that how we study or read or how we learn a subject. If you are study a chapter, then now in class 9, in class 10 the chapters are more harder. That's why by first time only reading we can't get the chapter, we can't understand the chapter. But how we understand the chapter? Okay, when we are reading, sometimes confusion come in our brain, and then because to solve that confusion we read more better, and for that reason we also learn lots of things. And I am trying to tell you that when confusion comes, then we focus and then we try to find out the solution. Okay, means when problem will come to you, problem will not come to you. Okay, you have to go towards the problem. How? By questioning. Yes, doesn't matter what is it, but whenever question will come to you in your brain, then obviously we'll try to find the solution. And if no any type of questions is not coming in your brain, then how you will find the solution? There is no way that you can find the solution, because there is no question, there is no logic. So just also do this and use this in your work too. Whenever you are doing a work, then after doing that work, try to question yourself. Question small little things. Okay, like also now question can come that why this mud is red. Okay, why there are lots of stones are here, and why the sky is blue. Okay, the space is black, then why the sky is blue? If the question you will not question to yourself, you will not get the answer. Like the gravitational force. How the gravitational force? Isaac Newton found the gravitational force. So when the apple fell, okay, in on his head, then he discovered the gravitational force. But what if Newton would not question to himself that why this apple fell in my head? If you just ignore it like a little and a small thing, then never we can know what is gravitational force. Okay, so this thing I wanted to tell you, that everything has come from a question. So you also should question to everything you are doing in your life, that why we are reading, why we are studying, why education is important in our life. If you will just question to yourself, you will get the answer obviously. Okay, first try to get the answer from yourself, and if you can't, then use the AI, ChatGPT, Google. Okay, just question to yourself that why I am speaking in English. I also could speak in my mother tongue or Hindi, but why I am speaking in English? If you will question, then obviously you will get the answer. I am doing this speaking, okay, I am also speaking English because for one reason, and the reason is for my own development. How much I will speak English, I will learn English, and nowadays you know how much English is important in our life. So just do questions and you will get the answer. And how much answers you will get, you will be more educated, you will be more knowledgeful. Your knowledge will increase. Like that in our same work also, for your success, for your goals, the work that you are doing, question to yourself that why you are doing it. What is the benefits? Okay, what is the advantage, disadvantage? Question. Just question. Okay, you are doing any kind of work, some people are coming and demotivating you, they are saying that you can't, then question to yourself why I can't. Give me the reason, because there is nothing without the reason or without the logic. Okay, so just remember one thing, that if you are not questioning, and if you are just moving your head like that, and if you are just agreeing with everyone, then one thing which you will be, and people will call you like you are nobody. Okay, so how much you will be curious about the things, you will know more things. So this thing I wanted to share with you, a very normal thing, but a very important thing guys. So it was the video. So from today, from now, start questioning. Whenever you will see things, just question to yourself, question to your parents, question to your friends, question to your mind. First of all, question to yourself, not others, to yourself, and then others. And this thing just only I wanted to share by this video. If you like the environment, if you like my speaking, okay, a small notice, then like this video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. To a great mind, nothing is little. Bye bye.